Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the second day of May in the year 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.96. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 33.21% since we initially listed Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 18 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 1.84% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout at the upper trend line, priced at $14.25, would signify a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 35.35% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 7.06% to 36.23%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 120.08%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance may fluctuate between 31.46% and 296.97% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $18.61 and $56.21. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Rigetti Computing Inc. Stock has been downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate following the trading session on Wednesday. The stock price of Rigetti Computing Inc. decreased by 0.211% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025. The price fell from $14.19 to $14.16. Throughout the trading day, the stock exhibited a fluctuation of 4.78%, reaching a low of $13.80 and a high of $14.46. Notably, the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 43.54% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, coinciding with the dip in stock price, which typically indicates a positive trend, as volume should follow price movements. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 25 million shares, with a total of 52 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $736.74 million. Over the last 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $21.42 and a low of 66 cents. Currently, the price is 33.89%, or $7.26, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Recent developments surrounding Rigetti Computing, or RGTI, are capturing investor attention, particularly as the quantum computing sector continues to attract significant interest. Chad Rigetti, the company's founder, has launched a new startup named Sigildry, which aims to leverage quantum technology to enhance artificial intelligence. This strategic move positions RGTI at the forefront of emerging technologies, potentially leading to increased investor confidence and stock price appreciation in the short term. Additionally, the ongoing discourse comparing RGTI with competitors such as D-Wave and IBM is crucial. Analysts are assessing their respective strengths and innovation capabilities in quantum computing, suggesting that Rigetti's agility could resonate well with tech-savvy investors looking for growth opportunities. The contrasting business approaches of agility versus scale could sway investor sentiment, impacting RGTI's stock price trajectory as market participants position themselves based on perceived long-term value. Notably, A recent analysis indicated a significant surge in quantum computing stocks, including RGTI, and ongoing bullish sentiment from analysts could further encourage buying pressure. As the market watches closely for additional technological advancements or partnerships, RGTI's prospects may continue to enhance investor interest. In summary, the confluence of innovation, competitive positioning, and analyst support could serve as a catalyst for RGTI's stock price, fostering optimism both in the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that B. Riley also assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam gave RGTI a buy rating with an initiate action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July 2024, it was reported that B. Riley gave RGTI a buy rating with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. The Rigetti Computing Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected around the levels of $13.02 and $10.23. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and to date, the stock has experienced a decrease of 0.211%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk since volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 153 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a buy signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 27 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $13.86. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock has the potential for significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 660 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 4.78%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 15%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios can suggest ongoing profitability issues and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $14.19. If you do not own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this may serve as a suitable point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $13.86. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of May, 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider sale of 44,815 shares of common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K conducted an insider purchase of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K also conducted an insider sale of 1 million shares of employee stock options, which represents the right to buy. Additionally, on the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K sold another 1 million shares of common stock. On the 19th of May, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. conducted an insider purchase of 218,750 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 19.915. Overall, insiders purchased 8,413,781 shares and sold 7,645,588 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $13.65, reflecting a decrease of 3.62%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which presents a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been triggered due to a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our system suggests that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of May, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open lower by 2 cents and commence trading at $14.14. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.